You can't like it before it happens, Isawu. What if Clay starts up singing is terrible, he does impressions of a cat, and his stuff is just back. Is it still backwards? No, it's not backwards anymore. Pringleton, you can like it before I go live, man. Don't worry about that. What's going on, everybody? Frank, first in the chat as always. Paul, Frank, Isawu, Pringleton, Isawu, Frank, Freddie. I went to the store, man. I got your stuff. No worries on that one now. Got all your stuff ready to go, and you be getting your shirts in no time, Freddie. Clay, bro, what's good? What's going on? Grains, nice, bro. Get the lottery, Freddie. Heck yeah. Did someone say meow? Donnell, good afternoon to you, and what's going on, Frodo? Now that we're all back, glad to have everybody in here. We've got nothing going on in terms of the stock market today. We've got AMC sitting sideways at 1841, down 2.5% on the day. Shiba sitting sideways at 2763. GameStop sitting sideways at 107, and Prague sitting sideways at $1.37. Look at this action on Prague. Look at this action on Prague. My goodness gracious. $1.40 to $1.39 all day long. Broke down out of that, and I wouldn't be surprised if we close somewhere between 138 and 137, because that seems to be where we're trending. The Nasdaq down 0.5% on the day. Farmy sitting flat at 22.19. No action there either. GameStop, everything just in the red, no volume, nothing. I believe Cashapp Sciences is green. Yes, Cashapp Sciences is green at the moment. And Sundial still red on the day, down 4%, setting at 50 cents per share. My goodness, 52 cents. And difficult for us. But we are back. We're having fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your lunch break. I ate some chili. What did you eat? That's the question. What did you have for lunch? I had some chili. Unskippable ad. Does YouTube not realize when I'm watching Claybro, I'm on the clock? This green name isn't just to the rest of these fools. No, I'm better than them. It's a job, darn it. Yes, it is. They must not know, Devil's Advocate. They must not know. Glad to have you in here. Unskippable ads. I love the unskippable ads. They pay so much. They don't pay so much money. They might pay a penny. They might pay a penny as opposed to like half a penny. I have no idea. Grilled cheese sandwich. Frodo, very nice, man. Grilled cheese. Let's move over a little bit in this chair. Chair on carpet. Doesn't want to scroll right. I'm quite fine with sideways. Pringleton. Quite fine with sideways, yes. Sideways is better than down. Down is worse than sideways. Up is better than everything. So we do want it to go up, but it's just, man, sideways day. What are you going to do about it? Going to In-N-Out Burger. Oh, man, did you guys hear that vibrate? I heard it. Give me 2 seconds. I'll turn my phone on silent before Nick F yells at me. We back? We back! Perfect. In-N-Out Burger. I don't know if I've ever been to In-N-Out Burger. I think we've discussed this before, but I really don't think we've been. I really don't think I've been there. I don't know. Silence! I can always count on Pringleton to yell at me and yell silence. Thank you, Pringleton. I appreciate that, man. Oh my goodness. We get any good news? What's BBIG doing today? Down? Yeah, BBIG down 13, almost 14%, sitting at 449. Ran into resistance right there. This level back in here and right here, and then it started to fall back heavy. My goodness. Actually, it's bouncing pretty nice down back up here, up at the $4 mark. But difficult day in terms of that. DWAC down 10% today after being at $93, almost $94 pre-market, pulling back today. Today's a difficult day for the market, guys. Pixie still sitting steady at $1.64 after bouncing all the way up. My goodness, check this out. We drew this line on here a little while ago saying we would find resistance in this area. Clearly, we found resistance up on the top of these candles in this area right here. But we did bounce off of it, and now we're back down here. I would not be, almost clicked buy, but I'm not logged in, thank goodness. I would not be terribly surprised if that was the top level for Pixie and we came back down in this channel here. I would not be that surprised. Pixie is extremely volatile. I wonder if you can sell puts on it or buy puts on it. Yeah, it looks like you can. Looks like you can. Might be a good move if you guys are into that dangerous play. If you guys like the volatility, want to take advantage of that, Pixie could be one. AMC seems to be falling a little bit here towards the end of the day, though. Sitting at 18.39 right now. Question is, Devil's Advocate, over, under, 18. Go. Don't think about it. Just tell me. Good news. A downward channel on Tesla is good. Nice, Frank. We got a downward channel on Tesla. I don't even know what Tesla's trading at. I haven't seen it in a while. $9.98. All right. Yeah, we do have a little bit of a downward channel here. After peaking at $12.43, pulled back a little bit to 900, bounced back up to 1200. Possibly coming back down a little bit. You do have a lot of support in this area, though. What? I clicked on that line. You do have a lot of support in this area. Could bounce right back off of that. If not, I mean, you could get a pretty steep decline if you come back down here through $890. Salad, always salad. Freddy's going salad for lunch. Nice, man. What even is this company? They make those sugar sticks? Dude, if they made Pixie sticks, I'd buy them for sure. I have no idea what Pixie is. I just know Shift Pixie. They show up so often in daily movers, but I don't actually know what they are. Is a human capital outsourcing solutions provider. So, what do they do, man? They get you a job? Company offers solutions for contingent part-time workforce demands. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Primarily in the restaurant and hospitality services trades, it provides a variety of human capital services to its clients, including staffing, employment, administrative services, payroll processing, and blah, blah, blah. So it's basically they're a headhunter. They find you a job. Employment services. That's what Shift Pixie does. They're like a little fairy for shifts. They find you a shift, like a little pixie would. What a very fitting name that is. Let's see. Hello, Clay and everyone. I'm back from a which I don't understand why they would be spiking. Literally nobody wants to work right now. No wonder that company's getting shorted like crazy. Now that makes sense. Now that makes a lot of sense. I'm glad you made me look that up, Devil's Advocate, because look at this. Now we gotta go weekly. Look at this weekly chart, man. They're doing great back here, 2017 and so on. They were overpriced. We get it. But look, what do we got here? 2018. Man, now I'd have figured it would have been closer to the end of 2019 when that happened, but that doesn't make as good a sense. I would imagine a staffing company at the beginning of 2020 would have gotten drilled since nobody was working. But these guys have just been doing bad for a long time. Alright, now we're back. Saif! Hello, Clay and everyone. Back from a vacation after 6 days. There was no service and weather was negative 11 degrees in upstate New York. Watched all your videos to be updated on Sheba. Thank you, Saif, man. Thank you for watching all the videos. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Appreciate everybody out there that's watching videos, clicking on the like button and all that good stuff. And you didn't miss much, man. I'm going to be honest. You didn't miss much. In the last 6 days, there might have been a little coin market cap scare there for a while where they're sending people to some whack contract addresses for Binance, Terra, and I believe Solana addresses. I think that's like the major thing that was going on with Sheba during that time. But I'm going to be honest, man. I don't think anybody's buying Sheba at those addresses anyway. I think they're either buying Sheba through an exchange or they're buying the Ethereum Sheba through Sheba Swap or through it on Pancake Swap or wherever they're doing it. They're still getting the Ethereum-based Shiba Inu coin. So it wasn't a huge deal that they had that messed up. But I still think that that's the biggest news that you've got coming out of the developers and coming out of the marketing team from Shiba Inu coin over the last week. Pixie dipped by 99, short squeeze rating, really low float. The Eight Fathers Man-Child, very nice. The Eight Fathers Man-Child, man. What do you guys come up with these names? So, what do you think? The big news is from the Shitoshi tweet, just ran a big idea past the core team and alphas. Interesting. Interesting, Freddy. Because I do not know. Because technically, he's part of the core team, man. Running ideas past him. Golly bum, dude. I don't know. If I had to say anything, I would hope that it was for some sort of a burn. Or some sort of a addition to a game or something that would burn. If I had to guess, I would say it's just something for the doggy DAO that they're adding on, that they would add on to it and make it easier to vote, or make you able to vote if you stake Shiba as opposed to Bone or something. I don't know, man. I would think that they're very focused on that right now, and that would be what they're talking about. I would prefer if it was some sort of a burn mechanism or something like that, but I think it's probably to do with Doggy DAO. Let's see. Hello, Cassie. How you doing this afternoon? Waiting for the Row fam who is playing puts on Tesla. A little technical analysis during launch. Very nice, Frank. Who's waiting for one of the Row fam who is playing puts on Tesla? A little. Okay, gotcha. I wonder who is it? Who's playing puts on Tesla right now? Not a bad time, but you are at support. Just to let you know that. What's your top 2 crypto picks for 2022? Frankinator. Very, very good question, man. Am I allowed to... Oh, boy. Top 2 crypto picks. You know what? I'll give you my top 2 crypto picks, okay? And I don't know how far crypto is going to fall down. But as far as, like, meme coins go, I'm going to have to say Shiba. I think the most excitement and community-driven projects, I think Shiba is still going to win. I don't think I think some of these littler coins could pass Shiba in gains. Not like millions of percentage gains, but like 2022 gains. I think they could easily pass Shiba in potential gains for 2022. But I'm seeing a lot of hype, man, surrounding Solana as well. And I don't own any yet. That's another one that I want to get my hands on. But I don't know how far it's going to pull back. Because over the last, basically, year and a half, it 100x'd. And it was sitting at about $2. Ran all the way up to $200. So, you know, if it does pull back a little bit during this crypto, I guess, drought that we're in right now, you know, we could see a decline in it, but they seem to be having a lot of good news surrounding Solana and a lot of innovation surrounding Solana. So I'd keep that one on your watch list too, man. But like I say, you know, these other little coins that are coming out, you probably get bigger gains than those two, but those are 2 that I'd be watching right now. Cardano, I'm hearing things, and maybe LRC due to the GME connection. I got over 40 different cryptos. Yeah, Beanbag Bastion, man. Those are 2 good picks, too. Cardano has had a lot of hype, especially over the last couple of days. And I do have some Cardano. I got it at $1.45 right now. It's sitting at $1.33. It's definitely coming down today. But, LRC. I don't know if I know what LRC is. Oh, Loopring. Okay. Yeah, Loopring actually is moving up there. Loopring's moving up and starting to get listed on places like Webull and things like that. You know, I've been noticing Webull likes to list coins when they get to around $1 billion market cap. So that's one you should watch too, yeah. But I think Solana's got a lot of stuff going on. And Shiba Inu coin's got one of the best communities there is. Pick up 1,000 of each. Thanks, bud. Nice, Frankinator. I know you didn't pick up 1,000 Solana, though, man. I know you didn't pick up 1,000 Solana. That cost you $150,000 just right now. 1,000 Shiba, definitely. Simon, did you win? Simon, did you win? Simon, did you win? What? Did he win what? Clarinho, what's up, Simon? What did Simon win? I don't even know. Come on. So to 998, whatever that is, hedge funds will push AMC down as low as they can. It's a game of hot potato. Who will put out and lessen their damage? Bean bag bashing, man. I will not give up. I will not let them take my AMC shares, and I hope that AMC rebounds here pretty quick. I think Bitcoin will hit 60,000 soon. Depends what you mean by soon, Loto. I think in order for Bitcoin to hit 60,000 again, we are going to need to see like a risk-on sentiment return. I don't know if we're there yet. With the overall market falling, with the overall crypto market falling, we're going to need a shift in sentiment to pick things back up. Oh, 1,000 years. Okay, good. Frankinator. Cool. I'm sitting there thinking like, dude, there's no way he went out and bought 1,000. I got 1,000 of each. I'm like, there's no way this dude got 1,000 Solana. It's impossible, man. It's not impossible, but there's no way you just out on a whim went out and bought $150,000 worth of Solana. The blurry picture of a dog penny Twitter could be about the game. I don't know. Saif, did they tweet something? If they did, man, I didn't see it. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Right at the top of my feet. Just got a big idea past the core team analysis. If agreed, I think we might just shake up this crypto space, do a good deed, and have fun at the same time. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how Shiba Inu could shake up the space any more than they already have. But why do these guys always talk so cryptically? You know what I mean? Oh, this dude's been... Okay, that's the one you're talking about there. So Saif's talking about this picture right here. And of course, I click it and it doesn't work. Give me 2 seconds. He's talking about this picture right here. It's blurry. Something brewing. Shiba Army, Shiba Token. Oh yeah, it could be part of the game, man. I don't know. Those do look like AAA graphics right there. So we'll have to see what goes on with that. But that does look pretty nice. Pretty enticing, if you ask me. Let's see. Look at Tony. He ignored my super chat. Never! Look at Tony. My bad, man. My bad. I would never look at. I would never ignore it. Look at Tony. Thank you very much for the member chat. Absolutely appreciate you. 5 months member, man. What's the lowest you think they will push AMC down to? Well, dude, if you asked me that question last week, I would have told you $20. Now you asked me that question this week, I'm going to have to tell you a lower number because we're already below that. $17.50 is the level where we got the next level of support that we got to look out for. So if it does continue to come down and we do not rebound from where we're at, let's go to the daily graph. Go to the daily graph here. Okay. You can see we've got this level right here, and we continue to come down, man. What a brutal beating we've been taking since basically Thanksgiving. My gosh. So we're sitting right here at this level of support in the 1750 area, man. If we break that, 1450 is the next major level of support. So nobody wants to go down to 1450, but if people do continue to give up, hedge funds continue to short, people continue to move their money out of the stock market and into bank accounts and into bonds, then 1450 is the next technical level of support. This area right in here. Now we get that. We got to go all the way back to May and March before we see, where we're developing this level of support at 1450. It was a significant level of resistance back in March and then again in May. So, dude, if they break this level right here at 17, I got it at 1730, man, but it's right in that range around 1750. So if they break this level right in here, then 1450 is the next level if you're talking how low can it go. see. Where did we go? And sorry about that, Luca Tony. Listen, guys, I never want to miss a member chat or super chat or anything. So please, if I do miss one, make sure to tell me. Solana is a top DeFi, but a bit pricey for me. I buy up to $5 and under cryptos for maximum profit potential. Nice. Yeah, Bean, I agree with that. Solana's got like a 40 or $50 billion market cap right now. So it's definitely up there. And if it's going to rival Ethereum, you know, you're looking at a 10x. Okay, and I do see people writing articles and these analysts claiming that Solana could one day rival Ethereum. Okay, and that's based on its super low transaction rate and its ability to handle like 65,000 transactions a second or something. That would give it a 10x potential from where it's currently at. And dude, you know, if it continues to grow in the future from there, you're still talking 10, 20, 30, 40x potential and so on. So you got a lot of room to grow still, even though it's a very large crypto. But dude, if you can get Solana for $5 again, if it ever comes back down, like if we have just a brutal crypto market and you can pick it up for $5, do that. Alright, well, buy more, but it keeps dipping. Nice, Luca Tony, nice. Crypto Rocketeer, we may truly own the float if that happens. Crypto Rocketeer, AMC to 1 cent, and I'll buy millions. Crypto Rocketeer, I would be right there with you, man. I would be right there with you. I think, yeah, JB is right, man. If AMC did go to a penny like that one dude thought that it was going to, then I do think that the apes would honestly own all of the float, if not over the float, if that took place. They can break through our support level, but they can never our support group. Facts, Devil's Advocate. Facts. They will not take us down. I know that for sure. Screw it, let's start all over, back down at $1.95, push it higher than ever. Shredder, I'm telling you right now, man, I have that same mentality. And I know if some people did that, they would be selling at $70 a share again. Even the same people that, you know, rip people for selling at $70 a share, they would gladly sell at $70 a share if they wrote it up from $1.90. But I do think that there are people like you who view it as a second chance opportunity and a second in a lifetime opportunity to get AMC at prices that we thought would never be seen again. And then there's other people who will give up and say, forget about it. I can't do another year with this. But I'm going to ask you guys a question right now, okay? Let's do a poll on this one. This is a good poll question here. And I might have to explain the question a little bit. All right, I don't know if that question's like clear or not, so let me just send out the scenario. So like Shredder says, if AMC does drop down to a $1.90 again, and you can grab AMC shares. Now you're still riding it down, right? You still have your shares of AMC, and this is like not a you can go back in time thing. But you either give up now and don't hold your shares all the way down, or you do hold your shares all the way down. But let's say it does. Like exactly what it did before, and AMC goes down to a $1.90. People start buying it up, and the question is, would you sit in AMC for another year if we could see the same type of gains that we saw from a $1.90, 35x and all the way up to $70+ a share? Would you be willing to handle all of the, I don't know if you want to call it nonsense, or just would you be able to handle all that volatility and all the emotion and all of the stuff that we went through in 2021? Would you be able to handle it again in 2022? God, what a tough question to ask. I don't know why I made that so complicated. At $14.50, I think they will start to cover. AMC Trapper, it is possible. It is possible that they start to cover at $14.50. I would own the float myself. Nice, Devil's Advocate. AMC Stock, prestiged like in Call of Duty. It's just starting from the beginning again to level up for fun. Nice. I guess that's something you do in the game then. Devil's Advocate, you're loading up on Prague when a gap fills at $1.08. Boom! Yes, he will be. I know it. Dude, Devil's Advocate's going to be invited to the board meetings at Prague one day because he's gonna own so many shares. He's going to be invited to the board meetings. They're going to have to give him a spot because he's like a 20% shareholder. Let it fall below 10. I'll buy the crap out of this thing. William is definitely in it again. Hedge funds are stuck in a wedge. Too low equals shorts cover. FOMO takeoff. Too high, people get excited. FOMO margin calls takeoff. They have to keep the price just right. And they have to keep us depressed and, I guess, divided. Would be the two ways that I could put that. If they can keep us depressed and divided, then and the price action just moving sideways or trickling down, then yeah, dude, they're in their prime if they can do that. Buy 10,000 if it hits $1.90 again. Let's go, Frankenator. Frank is ready. Simon's got those tendies. I didn't see what he said before that. Oh, Frank, it's okay. I still made tendies. Nice, Simon. I didn't see what you made tendies on. I'm holding the shares I have. If it drops, I'll buy more and average my position down. Nice. Is anyone having trouble creating a account to receive the AMC NFT? I keep getting error codes and the creation limit reached. John Smith, I don't know. I'll buy and just forget about it. Sam, also buying for round 2. I love it, guys. Y'all think Friday will be a great day? Meme King, I don't know if Friday is going to be a great day, man. I think that the people who have sold these call options are going to try and keep the stock price down. I do know that a lot of people are hyping this week up because of the options that could potentially expire. But I will say, I think next week will be more exciting than this week. I don't put too much stock in options expiring in the money and things like that and a potential gamma squeeze and all the talk surrounding that. But with the anniversary coming up next week, I think, you know, the ape community and the news in general might be covering a little bit more on meme stocks and things like that. So if they can get people buzzing again, I mean, you could absolutely see the excitement return. It all depends, man. It all depends on how excited people are. Because I'm going to tell you right now, people are not excited about the stock market. People are not excited. They're not watching videos. They're not putting money in. The volume's lower. Everything's trending to the downside. People are very cautious about the stock market right now. Part 1. Speaking of me being on Prague meetings, my old Asian coworker watched my Prague video and came up to me the next day and was like, "Nice video, homie. You think they'll see it?" I was like, "Think who will see it? I think who will see it, Tony?" And he was like, "Prague. Like the company, you think they'll watch and do that? You have good ideas." I kept thinking, I hope they watch. I was like, "Nah, Tony, I don't think they'll watch." They might watch. They might watch, man. Devil's Advocate. You better tell Tony. Tony might be right. They might watch that. If we get interns at hedge funds watching AMC live streams and videos, Prague might have some people watching videos too. No, it's not dice. I don't know what it is, man. It's from building that computer. I don't know what those things were plugging up, but yeah. Roll die. No. It's not. I don't know what they are. Just like these little things. I don't know what they were covering up, but I actually have no idea what they were. I don't think they came out of the back of the monitor. I have no idea where they came from. I'm loaded up on MedX. Meme King! Why you like MedX? Go farm me instead of MedX. Come on now. Loading up on MedX. Go farm me. Just, dude, get some life into farming for me. I've been sitting in farming for a while. Forget MedX. Go farm me. Alright, let's see where we're at here. I don't want this page up. I want this one and then this one. Okay. Prague, man, sitting dead sideways after hours. 1 share. Hey, 1 share. Devil's Advocate. Was this you buying 1 share at 407? Somebody owns this candle too. They should screenshot that like we saw the other day. AMC sitting dead sideways after hours. Shiba Inu coin trading sideways to 27.60, and GameStop actually getting more action after hours than it did during market. So weird candles over here for GameStop. You guys can't see them. Let's just show you here real quick. GameStop, man, very little candles during the market, and then after hours, boom, we got some movement. Not a ton of movement, but we're going from $1.50 to $1.07. We got $1.50 or $105.50 to $1.07. We got $1.50 candles coming in here after hours, blowing any of the general market hours candles away. So interesting on that. Let's see. Okay, we are going to get rid of this poll so I can actually see what you guys are saying now. And yes, they said they would stay in it. I like it. Good answer, guys. Good answer. You made it through a year. You're definitely going to make it through another year. You use those to plug your holes. Ah, Frodo. What holes am I? I don't even know where they're at. If I owned Prague, it was actually on the board. He would have news. We would have news more often. Good. The patent I made the video about literally went public Tuesday, and there was zero news about it. Absolutely embarrassing. Dude, that is ridiculous, man. That is ridiculous. And I don't get that part. I don't get if it's the media not publishing the news, if there were literally no press releases about it because they don't want the stock to go up. Maybe they're thinking about doing a stock buyback, man, and they want to buy their shares back cheap so the company can rip higher and make a ton of money when Prague 10X's again. Like, you got to think, dude. These companies, they can do some shady stuff like that sometimes, too. If Prague doesn't press release anything about the patent that goes public, and they intend on buying their shares back, and they watch it drop down to $1, and then they announce their share repurchase program, and then they announce their patent, dude, all of a sudden, Prague is jumping 100, 200, 300%, and the company is the one benefiting off the increase in share price as opposed to people who are holding Prague. So I don't know if that's what they were doing or not, but you would figure patents going public would get press releases and released in the media. Good. Put a sell for one share of Prague at $100, and I'll put a buy in for it and see what happens since we got no volume. Devil's advocate. I probably could do that. If there was no volume and... dang, dude. If there is no volume, yeah, technically, if your sell order is the only one out there and my buy order is the only one out there, it would jump to $100. Considering there's zero shares being traded on that minute, and both of those would be limit orders. Yeah, that's interesting, man. What was one share? If that one share got filled, we should go to $100. We should go to $100, man. Technically, I'd have to buy it back off of you, though. Otherwise, you'd be grabbing a share of Prague for $100. What did Frodo say? Darn it. Okay. Nah, Frodo was talking about plugging my holes. Hey, Clay and everyone. Lord Links, what's going on? I've been off radar for a while. Busy with life. People get that way, man. Anyway, I wanted to say thank you for finally posting that Metacoin how-to video. Really appreciate all your work. Lord Links, absolutely, man. And look, it's the same deal for all those coins. If you want to go in there and just use that as like a base on how to purchase Meta, is what it was. If you want to use that and just literally any other coin that's out there, if you want to go through and do it the same way, you can. When does Sheba come back to 0.0008-ish? I hope soon, Michael. I don't know when money is going to start flowing back into crypto, okay? I will tell you that crypto is experiencing a very large hit right now. And if you have buying power, you know, at least keep your finger on the trigger for metaphorical phrase or whatever, for a figurative phrase. Because I don't know if it's going to continue falling, but when it starts to rebound and money starts pouring back in, you're going to have some great opportunities. Stock market included, man. Stock market included. I'm going to tell you, I'll let you guys in on some insight. All the people that are signing up to, you know, you start using Webull and invest and all of that when the stock market is ripping higher, they just disappear when the stock market is low and hitting new lows and falling. If people started to get in now and all we did was return to where we were a couple of months ago, I mean, you're talking at least doubling their money on just a diverse basket of assets. Look, if we come out to AMC and you look, we were here for Thanksgiving, right? $43 on AMC. If people just got in now, if people are like, forget about it. You know what? I know the stock market's coming down, but I'm going to open my account. I'm going to start investing. I want to do 2022 right. If they get in now and we return just to where we were at Thanksgiving, they've already more than doubled their money. About probably 30 to 150% gain if they go just back there. And that's in AMC. You know, if you look at Farmy, or if you look at Prog, where's Prog? Prog's a good example too. How do I not have Prog on a big chart? You look at Prog, if you come back to where we were in Thanksgiving, you're riding from $1.36 all the way back up to like $5. So there is so much potential to get in at these lower prices, and I can't believe that people are unwilling to take advantage of it just because we got a decline in prices currently. It's kind of crazy. These are buying opportunities for sure. Cassie, I did the same with my Apple. Don't know what Cassie said. Darn it, Clay. Prog, WTF. Come on, man. Prog is getting hit hard. Isn't it, Wrestler? I know. Let's see. What did Cassie say? I took $5 profit and said bye-bye to Farming and added more AMC. Nice, Cassie. Nice. At least you got your $5 profit there. I like it. Prog goes to $1 and then runs 200 to 300%. I'm still at a loss. JP, yeah, I would be at break even if it goes to $1 and it ran 200%. I would still be at a loss too. 300%, I'd be making some money, but 200%, I'd still be at a 50-cent loss. Big fan from Malaysia, Adib Musa. Thank you very much, man. I'm glad you're in here. Malaysia's a long way away. Summertime. Quentin, I don't know what you said about summertime. Shib may be seeing side action for a while time to just hold. Yeah, look, man, I understand that people kind of just go and do their own thing while things are moving sideways, and they lose a lot of the excitement that they had. But just holding and living your life and waiting for it to pop off is a strategy, right? If you want to partake in the gains, you have to be holding it. Otherwise, you're going to be buying it as it's running higher. JB, average down, but even if you don't want to, you can't do that. After we get over a double digits, I bet we'll never see single again. The company is honestly mind-blowingly cheap. I love it, man. Nice to hear and beard. Nice hair and beard. Just saying. Sammy, thank you very much. Appreciate you. I can see you get nice hair there as well, Sammy. I don't see a beard in the picture, but I can see you got nice hair in that picture. A little comb-over action going on. I've learned so much from this community. I'm confident, as Clay put it, a second chance is bound to do it better next time. Shredda, I love it, man. I love it. That's the best thing, too. I'm going to tell you guys, if you have paid attention and done more than just complain about manipulation and corruption, I'm sure you have learned a ton over the last year. So, use that knowledge moving forward, too, man. And get some stable growth and get out there and make some long-term money, you're going to be doing very well. Tesla's been falling a lot. Yes, Tesla has been falling a lot. Looks at Tesla. I didn't see what Frank said. Sorry about that. What did he say about key to success up here? Whether for the memes? Memes are the key to success. Memes are the key to success these days. You're the most knowledgeable person I know on prog, and your info assisted me in deciding to join the Prog Nation. You're an ambassador of the community. Nice. Heck yeah, Frank. I'm averaged at 201 on prog and have XXXX shares. I'm addicted to buying the dip. Wrestler. Nice, man. This dude's addicted to buying the dip just like Devil's Advocate is. You guys are both going to be on the board. I swear. You never start from scratch a second time, because if you ever have to start again, you start from experience. Boom! Thank you. I'm a stylist. AMC Trapper. Heck yeah, man. I live my life one trapper at a time. Boom! I don't know what that means, but I like it. AMC Trapper. Heck yeah, man. Simon, I might stream tonight just to do a review on that technical analysis. Very nice, Frank. If anybody wants to watch Frank stream a little bit tonight on, I guess, Tesla, make sure you check that out. I saw an article that says Tesla is going to lose 50% of its value. Well, look, AMC lost 50% of its value just in the last 2 months. So it is possible that Tesla falls back down to $500. But I don't think Tesla as a company is going anywhere. So even if Tesla does lose a significant portion of its stock price, I think it will regain it over the future. Tesla's got a future, man, and I'm not afraid. I wouldn't be afraid to buy Tesla. I don't know why I put that in quotes, because I made it up. Dang, dude, you quoting yourself already. He's getting ready. Those advocates are getting ready to be on the board of Prague. Look at that. I know he is. Is heavily shorted, heavily, and gonna squeeze also. Ooh, AJ, what are we talking about, man? I must have missed the chat. I didn't see which one we were talking about. Frank, I'll be watching. Nice, Paul. Market corrections do not last as long as market run-ups, so I will be waiting for the close to the bottom and buying the dips. Yeah, we've been in a bull market basically since 2009. 12 years that we've been in a bull market. Now, the coronavirus dip, God, I can't say that word. Oh, they're probably going to flag this stream. The dip we had back in March of 2020 was very short-lived for the significant percentage that it pulled back. Market pulled back. I think the NASDAQ pulled back roughly 30% in an extremely short period of time. Just maybe 4 weeks, 5, 6 weeks, whatever it was. And then just V'd right back up. Shot right back up as fast as it came down. And then continued to move higher, hitting all-time high after all-time high. Now, a lot of that was because people had disposable income with the stimulus checks that they were receiving and things. So you got to keep that in mind too. But we've been in a bull market for a very long time. If we do see something along the lines of a 20 to 30% correction in the stock market, then yes, there will be buying opportunities all over the board. Cliff, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Cliff with his tokenomics and burn mechanism. Hayes, dude, we can look that up, man. I don't know what their tokenomics are. We'll look it up in a second here. I have shares of Prague, average 170. Thinking about buying a long call, January 24 thoughts. Yeah, Gorilla Invictus, man. Look, I wouldn't have a problem with buying calls that far out. That gives you a long time to see the price move higher. Even if the company just jumps up in value for an earnings call, you're going to have the opportunity to take some profit on those calls if you want to. So I don't have a problem buying calls that far out. Let's see, it's my fault. I threw 2,500 AMC right at the end of the wedge. 40 because it caused it to free fall. JB, we knew it was you. We knew it was you because you always wanted to see that wedge, man. And we knew right at the bottom of that wedge that you were going to get it. Ah, darn it. JB, why you got to do this to us, man? You got to do this. Let's see what Cliff has going on. I don't know anything about the tokenomics on Clifford. Clifford Inu. Gee, Merry Christmas. There's a 20... My gosh. 20% sale. Alright, so 8% goes back into the liquidity pool, 2% goes back into the marketing wallet or marketing budget when you buy Clifford Inu. Huge sell tax at 20%. My gosh, that's a big one, dude. You guys got to make up, you guys got to gain 30 or 40% in value before you even want to, what does this say here? Before you even want to break even. So changed according to market conditions. However, the contract is hard-coded and never go above 20% taxes on buys and 25% taxes on that. Furthermore, tax will be increased for decreasing gradually as Cliff grows in market cap. My God, dude, you're probably going to get 25% tax on sells. It's an extremely large tax, man. That's an extremely large tax. 20 to 25% on the sell side. So you got to make up at least, it's got to double in price before you make any significant amount of money. That's difficult. I did not know they did that. I like the fact that it's going to the liquidity pool and marketing as opposed to development and team. I don't like to really see when the money goes back into the hands of the team because who the heck knows what they're doing with it. But how heavily is Clifford Inu marketing. I've never seen anybody or any posts about Clifford other than you guys coming in here into the stream and talking about Clifford. So they've got a lot of money going to marketing, but I've never seen Clifford being marketed anywhere. I'll say that too. Merchandise. Wow, oh my gosh. Dude, how are they going to sell Clifford the Big Red Dog? What is this, dude? I don't know. I think that's a huge sell tax. Let's see. Dwight wants to know your thoughts on Saitama. Dwight, my thoughts on Saitama. I'm not in Saitama. 100 times the outstanding supply of Shiba Inu coin. So if you're thinking about buying Saitama, just know that it's never going to reach a penny. Okay, just know it'll never reach a penny. It'll give you like a $500 trillion valuation if it reaches a penny. Show your positions, Clay. I'm down 37%. Quinn, I'm actually up on AMC, man. My average is at $13, and I'm up on AMC. I'm down on Prog. I'm down on Shiba Inu coin. That's at like 5,300 points per coin. I don't know how far this stuff is going to fall, so I haven't been adding to my positions yet. But I just don't know how far it's going to come down. And I'd rather have it bounce back up and pay that confirmation fee than buy as it's falling and watch it go down even further. So why ask Clay to do that then, huh? Quit. Show your position. Quite the demanding statement to make someone who online who owes you literally nothing. Do we ask to take your pants off? You guys ask me that sometimes. Nah, not gonna happen. Never gonna happen. Shut up. Home of Bush's baked beans. Possibly. Next new coin, Inu. Double Inu, man. Double E. There's going to be another dog coin out there. I know there will, and it will definitely gain in value. Last night, bought some Chaos Legion card packs for the game Splinterlands. I opened a few, but most of them I will hold it sell later for 2x or more. Frodo, are those actual cards, or is that a computer game? I don't know what Chaos Legion is. Or Splinterlands. I don't know what that is either. Shibfen Inu. That's another one. Shibfen Inu. Honestly, the best move that you people behind the actual book can make is, okay, you can use our name. We get the developer coins. Over Bear Farm. Honestly, the best move that the people behind the actual book can make. Oh, behind Clifford. You can use our name. We get it. Okay, gotcha. I was like, wait, what are we talking about? You're talking about Clifford Inu. Oh no, Clifford Inu's got a pretty big market cap, dude. They wouldn't be doing too bad to do that. Fully diluted market cap's $47 million, so not bad. I mean, you can beat them. Sometimes you could either beat them or you could join them. Making money right now. Clay was much more respectful in my part 2 reaction to that message. Darn it, man. Darn it. It's alright. Check out Shibfen Inu. It's designed to increase the price of Shiba. Dang, man, where did this one come from? Where did I check out Clifford, and then all of a sudden we got people jumping on Shibfen in here. You ask about Saitama, you get time.jb. JB is the only one allowed to ask you about Saitama. Why can't you buy Tesla Power Wall with Dogecoin? I don't know. I don't think he wants to have high transactions in Dogecoin. I think he just wants to sell you a t-shirt in Dogecoin. What is Shibfen, man? I'm not gonna lie, dude. Shibfen doesn't even exist. Shibfuel exists, but Shibfen, no. Not out there. Okay, who pushed the wrong button? B-Son, it was me, man. It was me. The next coin, Shiba Inu. Freddy, let's get it, dude. I want to go Shiba Inu. Let's make it happen. Clear, will the Saitama burn mechanism reduce the supply effectively? I doubt it. I don't know what the burn mechanism is, but I highly doubt it, man. Think about it. If you're going to reduce the supply of Saitama, even to meet the supply of Shiba Inu coin, you would need to reduce it by 100x. Okay? That's, what, a 99% decline. And then if we still want to reduce the supply of Shiba Inu coin, remember that. So if we want to reduce the supply of Shiba Inu coin by 100x, so you're talking, or at least a 10x, right? So you're talking, you would need to reduce the supply of Saitama by either 100, by either what, 10,000 or 1,000, man, before you make before you can really reach a penny. Let's just put it that way. I think it's time for meta. Let's go meta. The meta coin, right? Is that what you're talking about? You gotta run, fam. Have a great evening. JB, you as well, man. Enjoy your evening, and thanks for asking about Saitama. I appreciate that. Check Shiba Inu. This project will support Shiba to burn so many supply. Alvin, I tried to look up Shiba. It doesn't even exist. Splinterlands is a play-to-earn crypto game, one of the best I've seen so far. A video trading card game like Magic the Gathering, but cards are all NFTs, and they have 2 unique crypto tokens in-game. Okay. So you bought a deck of cards, so you get multiple NFTs. And they have 2 crypto tokens that you can use within the game. Do the NFTs, they're usable within the game too? Like, are they characters or something that you can use in the game? Shiba Inu joins Shiba family to increase Shiba value. I like it, UK1. Shiba Inu does not exist on CoinMarketCap. Okay, I do see it on. I do see it on PooCoin here. Interesting. Yeah, if you guys want to know what they're talking about, Shiba Inu right here. I don't know what they plan on doing. You got 355 people holding Shiba Inu. A lot of people holding up to 1% of the coin, which would be, I believe, $3 grand to get you that. I imagine when this thing gets listed on CoinMarketCap, a lot of these people are probably going to be selling. But Shiba Inu, I don't know, it is on PancakeSwap, seemingly. If you guys wanted to get Shiba Inu before it's listed on, or if it gets listed on CoinMarketCap, you might be able to, like, I guess just take advantage of that CoinMarketCap listing. Currently like 10 zeros. Nine zeros. 9 zeros and a supposed $339,000 market cap. Total supply looks like 1 quadrillion, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. Yes. Okay. Million, billion, trillion. Gosh, a lot of these people. You can have a lot of whales if these people don't sell, but I imagine a lot of these people are going to sell as soon as it gets listed on CoinMarketCap. Let's see. Clayro Inu. Let's go. Hayes, dude. Somebody's got to make it. It was a joke. I think you were kicking people 2 months ago for talking about meta. Oh, I don't know if I was. Maybe if they were... We could talk about meta, but if they were spamming, maybe. I don't kick anybody, but if they are spamming, yeah. Chad Clifford, later, y'all. Good night. Chad, enjoy your night, man. Clayro Inu. Yes, yes. What's up, family? Familia. What's up, Ronald? Who bought more Shiba today? You did. No, did you? I don't know if you did. I didn't buy more Shiba today. I still can't believe PooCoin is real. Why not call it diaper dollars? People love alliterations. You got me, man. You got me. But I will tell you, PooCoin actually has... the coins get listed on there before they get listed on CoinMarketCap. So if you find some coins on PooCoin that aren't on CoinMarketCap yet, you can actually take advantage of the bump that they get in price when they go on CoinMarketCap. And PooCoin actually has better charting and better pricing than CoinMarketCap does. Sometimes CoinMarketCap is glitching out, but if you're going to go out there on PancakeSwap and swap for some of these tiny tokens, CoinMarketCap can have the wrong price, and PooCoin has the right price. Shiba Inu, a new family of Shiba for the burn, baby. Well, good deal, man. 355 people currently holding. If it sounds like something you're interested in, I say you get started. Let's see. Banger. What is Banger now? The NFT cards you used to have in game card battles, each win you collect... I don't know what DUC is, which is one of the tokens. SPS, oh, there's another token. Okay, these are the tokens, which you can stake and get voting rights with. Dang, dude. Okay, so you get the NFTs, and then you battle them, the same as you would the Pokemon cards. And then if you win in the game, you collect tokens, man. Not bad. So you got to buy the NFTs to play, same as you'd have to go out there and buy a Pokemon card. And if you win, if you're good, if you got good NFTs, if you got these good cards, you can win more tokens. Not bad, Frodo. Not bad. Yes, sir, you already know. It's your boy B. Hayes. We back at it with another one, guys. A wrestler. You watch B. Hayes, too. I like it, man. Time is everybody buying shares on Friday. Bobby, what time we buying shares, man? I don't know if I'm going to buy any shares on Friday or not. We don't need any more Inu coins. Sadamoshi Kusama. I would agree, but I don't think we're ever going to get rid of the Inu coins. 230 Central. Go for it, DD214. Yes, sir. Sure did. Nice, Ronald. PooCoin. It's the... Yes. PooCoin. Listen, PooCoin, I like their graphs, man. I like their graphs. Let's see. Oh, what's going on with Tesla after hours? Jumping from 990 to 995 back to 990. It is glitching. Yeah, it might be glitching back up to the close. It might just be glitching back up to the close, man. Although these wicks are staying there, so I don't know if that is... if it's right or not, but it doesn't look right, man. Yeah, I don't know. I wish this one was glitching too. The volume is not moving, but the volume's moving there. I imagine these were glitches. Okay. Yeah, I imagine those were glitches. New rule, Frank, to plug your channel, you have to have a super chat. I give it a week before Clay moves up the tax bracket. Boom! Dude, we're going up tax brackets too. I love it. Yes, Clay, you're very similar to Pokemon cards, except instead of battling your friends for bragging rights, you actually get tokens that are worth money. Nice, dude. I never actually battled with my Pokemon cards. I just open my Pokemon cards and then put them in a book. You know, like a card sleeve book, 3x3. So I probably do have flawless condition 1 through like 151 of the original Pokemon cards. So that is pretty sweet. I have to go check them out though. I think they're at my brother's house. Anyway, hope Baby Sheba not me. Recommend, or is that over already? And stick with regular Sheba. David, I would stick with regular Sheba if you want something that has like an underlying project. Baby Sheba could get some hype. Baby Doge got a lot of hype, but Baby Sheba could get some hype too, so you might be able to make something on it, but it's going to be a lot more risky. Ronald, thank you very much for the super chat, Ronald. Really appreciate that, man. If you got a chat that you want on that, then let me know. Oh, Ronald does say, thoughts on Neo in 2022? Look, dude, I like Neo. I don't own any Neo, but my thoughts on really any company throughout 2022, I'm not buying just yet. I'm not buying on these dips just yet, but I do think that, we will bottom sometime pretty soon. I don't think that it's going to take us 2 years to hit a bottom, but as soon as we start to make it through inflation talks and interest rate talks, if we know that they're going to raise interest rates by 0.25% 4 times throughout 2022, okay, if we start to see that they're going to raise it by 0.5% or 1% every time, 4 times through 2022, the market's going to get shocked by that. So I think people are kind of still just sitting sideways. And even if you're interested in buying Neo or Tesla or any of these stocks right now, I might sit and wait unless you're very comfortable with the price you're getting it at. You know who doesn't have a flawless collection of Pokemon cards? Logan Paul. Shoot, Logan Paul, come on now. Logan Paul's got a flawless side table, though. That Game Boy table he's got is amazing. Good afternoon, Nick F. Glad you could finally join us. Be careful, Clay. That plastic sticks to the cards with time. Well, shoot, dude. Guess what? That means they're never coming out of that plastic then. So they're still flawless. They're just not coming out of that plastic. Savero Fusto. Sorry, man. Shiba Inu. Great one, but don't spam it. I still read it, Walmart may have virtual Shiba. It'll be worth more than the real Shiba. I don't know if Walmart's doing a virtual Shiba, but I did see that Walmart was thinking about getting into the metaverse space. So if they do anything, Walmart is going to be a big mover because they're a huge company. Shiba Inu is here to burn. Boom, boom, boom. Miko. I like it. Man, Shiba Inu. I wonder where these people come from. Miko or Savero. I would assume Savero is muted right now. James Bates or Alvin or Miko. What do you guys do? Does somebody go in the live? Does somebody just go around live streams and the first guy that responds to a Shiba Inu, he sends the link to the Telegram and he tells everybody to come in here and spam for your coin? Or how does it work when you guys just all out of nowhere come in and start talking about it? Because it's not just you that does it. These other coins come in here and do it all the time. Is that how it works? Somebody finds somebody that's willing to engage and then sends the link to the Telegram and everybody jumps in? Or what's the deal? Oh, what did Shredder say? Nick F, you're late to work. Come on, Nick F. Just glad to have you in here. The burns will make the value rise by the end of the year. I sure hope so. Mike Claybro, what do you think AMC will fall down to? Do you think we'll fill the gap before rebounding? Trace Cat Titan, good question, man. So I do think that if AMC continues to fall, that 1750 should hold up. If 1750 does not hold up, I'm hopeful for 1450. So these are the lines right here. We're getting ready to test that 1750 level. If this doesn't hold up, or we're not already bouncing off this inverted hammer here, then we could touch down at 1450. Hopefully that holds up. If not, man, you're talking all the way back down here at $12 to $11 a share, this area. So it's going to be tough to tell where we're going to be. Oh, sorry. Devil's Advocate, sent you a Chipbro Inu coin. Dude, I want a Chipro Inu coin. How do I get one of those? On live chat, someone saw you. Joseph! Yeah, man, but then how did you see it? Someone saw me, right, but then how did you see it? Where did they share it to that you guys all jumped in here? What's the cheapest crypto wallet? So Pika Power, you can have a crypto wallet from like Crypto.com's DeFi wallet, Coinbase's DeFi wallet, Trust Wallet is Binance's DeFi wallet. You can go out and get like a Coinami wallet. All of these wallets are free to have. I guess it depends on the interface that you like and you know how it looks, because at the end of the day they're basically all the same thing. So whichever one you like using the best is going to be fine in regards to that. But the wallets don't cost anything to own unless you're talking about like a hardware wallet, like a flash drive that you would plug in. I don't know which one of those is the cheap. I don't have any of those. Shiba Inu admin here. We noticed your channel just now, bro. I sent guys here to show some love. LMC reactions. Where did you send them from? The Telegram group or where? That's what I want to know. Please review Shibfin Inu, sir. Alvin, we did just look at it, man. Chickadee Brady. All right, proud member of the growing Shiba army. Nice, Mike. Oh my gosh. Nice, Freddy. Nice. That's a Chipro Inu for sure, man. Lots of whales in Shiburai. Check it out. Shiburai is another one. Oh my gosh, all these coins. I don't know where they're coming from. Apologies for intruding. A token whose utility is to burn Shiba Inu. Earnings rewards will be coming. The largest burn mechanism for Shiba Inu. Oh, why stop at a penny? Let's get Shiba Inu to $1. Let's do it, man. Andreas, I hope so. Keep the Shiba army strong. Pika power. Facts. Shaking the apple tree to get paper hands out was a nice picture that was painted a long time ago. Only good apples get picked. I like it, Shredda. It is true, guys. It is true. And a lot of people have fallen out by now. A lot of people have fallen out of the game. Are these all your new prison friends, sweetie? Yes, these are all my new prison friends. I'm so glad to have them here. Bringing to 1450. Bringing to 1450 by the end of the week is quite a drop in just 2 days, over 10%. Each day is a lot. It's what I was thinking we would be at, but today's sideways movement was great for us. Yeah, dude, today's sideways movement, we were able to sustain these levels above $18 per share. So hopefully we can continue to do that. And guys, we have to see some sort of a bargain hunting day coming here soon. Even if it's not sustained, we have to have some sort of a bounce from people coming in and buying up cheap stocks. So it's only a matter of time before we get some sort of a bounce. Got to bounce. Duty calls. Later, bro peeps. See you later, Freddy. Enjoy your evening, man. How early would you say we are with Shiba right now? Are we seeing it in its infancy still today, or are we mid-teens? Roderick, I'd say mid-teens, man. I'd say mid-teens. I mean, late teens even, okay? So it is a top, I believe, 15, maybe top 20. I don't know. It's $15 billion market cap. I forget where it sits right now. It's top 20 coin for sure with a $15 billion market cap. It's not easy to get into the top 15 or top 20 of all the cryptos out there. So it is definitely, it's definitely grown a lot in 2021. It's nowhere near any of these micro cap tokens that come out on a daily basis. Devil's Advocate, new inmates on Shiba Block, a dead wallet burning, a life on Crypto Death Row 2022. Best documentary. Just counted up over 800 calls for Prague in April. Nice, man. Nice. Devil's Advocate killing it on Prague, man. Oh my gosh. We got to see it bounce. This dude's going to be loaded in April. I love it. This dude's going to be loaded. Prague's going to bounce. Everything's going to dip before then. It's going to be so nice. Oh, man. That's going to be nice. It's actually going to be nice as soon as all this stuff gets a little bit more action. I mean, look at these after hours here. 55 shares. 455. 421. 500. 25. 14. No action. And 22,000 shares. 10 shares. 1 share being traded on that minute. 29, 30, 735, 20. Crazy. Crazy the amount of non-action these stocks are getting right now. Hey, Clint, what are your thoughts on AXS? Is that Axie Infinity or is that... Yeah, Axie Infinity. No, I like Axie Infinity, man. They seem to be putting together a pretty cool game. Holders will be able to access new features, breeding and staking in the future. If they upgrade their AXS SLP, they can be done from AxieInfinity.com starting Wednesday 28th. The area where the swap can be initiated immediately by interacting directly with the smart chain. Yeah, so they will have staking features coming out on April 28th. But Axie Infinity putting together a pretty big game for crypto. And they've got the market cap to back it up now. They got like a $4 billion market cap. So looking at that, where's their staking at? I don't know. I was looking at this the other day. I don't know where their staking's at now. But Axie Infinity, they've definitely got a big game coming together. And you're going to be able to stake your coins. My gosh. And earn a decent amount staking them. They've already traded $3.6 billion in their in-house marketplace. $820,000 is the most expensive Axie ever sold. I guess an Axie is the character. And you've got 2.8 million daily active players. That's a big game. I mean, it seems fairly simple if you guys do want to play. 100 calls for 5-cent average strike at 7.50 in April, and 100 calls for a 4-cent average at 10. The rest are all random, but I can't see us still being under $3 by then. Dude, I hope we are not under $3 by April on Prague. That would be extremely slow action. Let's see. Side action is good. I don't know why. And the waitress doesn't understand when I ask for that under the table with a call. Oh my gosh, they ask if there's anything else they can get you. Shredder, remind me not to go out to eat with you. Okay? Remind me not to go out to eat with you and harass the waitress when she comes to the table. Ban my comments. Never, Mitch. I'm not going to ban your comments. Nobody is. She was like a drafted rookie. Still has room to grow and improve. Yes, Dwight. Yes, it definitely does, man. We can still 10x before we reach prices half the size of Ethereum. So we're doing good. Let's sell it on. How you doing, Shredder? Lights out in 2 minutes, Clay. Boom. You know it. I can't. Everything I buy turns to mush. Here's the funny thing. Mitch probably thinks that. Everything he buys turns to mush. And he's going to sell it, and then one day, like a year down the road, he would have been a millionaire if he would have just held. Hello? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Shredder, Devil's Advocate, what in the W in the April calls then? I have that on T. What is the W in the April calls? I have that on TD. Gorilla Invictus wants to know about Devil's Advocate there. Can Sheba be mined like Bitcoin? So, Roderick, no. Sheba cannot be mined. However, platforms do allow you to mine, and then they pay you in Shiba Inu coin. So how that works is you would go out, you would mine a different coin that would be profitable, something like Raven coin, and then instead of transferring Raven coin to your wallet, they would receive the Raven coin, and then they would buy Shiba Inu coin with your Raven coin, maybe 90% of the value. I don't know what percentage they keep. But they would buy Shiba Inu coin and pay you in Shiba Inu coin instead of Raven coin. You'd probably be better off doing that if you did it yourself. But they provide you that service like you are mining Shiba Inu coin. I am not an options expert. I am a prog expert, so I can tell you, unfortunately, sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Well, it's all right. Options expert or not, prog is hopefully going to be above $3 in April, like you say. Would you rather talk like Yoda or breathe like Vader? Dude, probably talk like Yoda. I don't know. I think it'd be weird if you're just constantly breathing like that. When Moas, and it might be hard. It might be hard to get around. I have a feeling Shredder is banned from all IHOPs. DD214, that is a great possibility. A Gorilla Weekly is the W on options. Don't skip me again. When Moas. Solid on! I'll never skip you. Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow is always the Moas. It's 5:01, guys. We're 1 minute over. Make sure you guys come back in 2 hours and then in 3 hours for the videos. Even if you just click the like button, share them on your socials, all that good stuff. Make sure to check those out. Thank you guys very much for having a good day today. I know the market is just getting beat, but you guys still got a positive attitude. You're glad to be here. You're glad to be in the market, glad to be investing, and I do appreciate that. I'm glad you had fun, and I'm glad you guys were here. Let's get the shout-outs going right now, and then, like I say, we'll be back tomorrow, and then check out the videos this evening. Shredder, Roderick, Saladon, Dwight, Devil's Advocate, Frank, Tom, Mitch, Saladon, DD214, Frank, Saladon, Milo, Ronald, Devil's Advocate, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! Dabbing on them like always, man. Biv, Capital, Saladon, Infinite Zero, DD214, Victor, Sylvia, Julie Miller. Bye-bye to you, Julie Miller. Enjoy the beach if you're still down there. Roderick, Shredder, thank you for your time, Clay. See the rest of you tomorrow. Absolutely, Shredder. Enjoy your evening, man. Frank, have a good night. Frodo, enjoy your night. Have a good night as well, man. Pringleton, Mitch, I'll see you guys later. Isa Wu in the house. Isa Wu was here earlier. I don't know if he's still here now or not, Mitch. Pringleton, enjoy your night, man. Grill Invictus, Mr. Simonino, enjoy your night, enjoy your evening / afternoon for you. You still got a pretty long day ahead of you, Simon, so enjoy it. And Victor, man, Victor saying mic drop. You guys got to remind me that the mic is behind the camera. But Victor, boom. Victor coming in hot on that microphone right there. Thank you very much, Victor. Absolutely appreciate that. I couldn't say thank you in any greater way. Victor, enjoy your evening. Saladon, bye to you, Danelle. Enjoy your evening. And Saladon, night. Don't let the hedge funds bite. Never, man, never. All right, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.